Different ways to collect comic books. Single issue, also known as a floppy, $2 to $5. Trade paperback or trade, 10 to 15 bucks. Standard size hardcover, 20 to 25 bucks. Paperback Ultimate Collection or all-in-ones, $30 to $35. Paperback compendiums, about 50 bucks. Oversized hardcovers, 35 to 40 bucks. All vary in heights and thickness. Marvel and DC omnibuses. Much more content and oversized. Can vary between $75 to $175. Each of these collected editions vary drastically as far as the price and the amount of content goes. But what's your preferred way to collect?